Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a content management system with Joomla on AWS step by step clearly. To deploy a content management system with Joomla on AWS, start by signing in to your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. In the console, find the EC2 service and click on it. Click on the Launch Instance button to create a new virtual machine. In the Amazon Machine Images section, search for Ubuntu Server or any preferred Linux distribution. Select the desired version of the Linux distribution and click Next, Configure Instance Details. Choose the instance type suitable for your needs, such as the T2.micro for low traffic. Click Next, Add Storage to configure your storage options. The default storage settings are usually sufficient, but you can adjust based on your requirements. Click Next, Add Tags to optionally add tags for identification. Click Next, Configure Security Group to set your firewall rules. Create a new security group allowing HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH access. In the source field for SSH, you can restrict access to your IP address for better security. Click Review and Launch to review your settings. Then, click the Launch button. You will be prompted to choose or create a new key pair for SSH access. Download the key pair and keep it secure. Once your instance is launched, click on View Instances to see the status of your new virtual machine. While your instance is initializing, take note of your public IP address. Once the instance state is running, connect to it via SSH using your key pair. Open your terminal and type sshi/path/to/yourkey.pem Ubuntu at your IP address. Update the package repository by running the command sudo apt-get update. Install Apache by typing sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Start Apache with sudo systemcll start Apache 2 and ensure it starts on boot with sudo systemcll enable Apache 2. Install PHP and required extensions by using sudo apt-get install php lib apache 2 mod php mysql. Now, install MySQL for database management using the command sudo apt-get install MySQL server. Secure your MySQL installation by running sudo mysql_secure_installation and follow the prompts. Create a database for Joomla by executing MySQL with sudo mysql uroot p. Use the command create database Joomla_db, followed by create user Joomla_user at localhost identified by your _password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.